Today we are going to discuss about business model canvas of our project iPay, which is an online payment system. We have discussed about our project in assignment 1. In assignment 2 we are going to discuss about the business model canvas totally. In this model we are going to discuss about cost center and profit center, in which cost center, which includes key partners, key activities and cost structure, whereas in profit centers it includes customer relationship, customer segments, channels and revenue streams. So now we will discuss about key partners, in which we will discuss about who should be involved as we produce and deliver our solution. Banks with escrow services. Escrow is the new term which means the agreement of the third party, which includes the transaction. And hotels, insurance company, movie theaters and shopping centers, these should be our key partners. This should be involve us in our online payment. Now we will discuss about key activities. In this we will discuss about what do we need to do to produce, market and deliver our solution. We should enable transfer of the fund, and we will enhance the security, and we will also take some action so that we can protect some from fraud. Now come key resources, in which we will discuss about what do we need to have in order to produce, market and deliver our solution. The first and basic thing is the technology platform, and second, which is the most important, partners, and the third, the RBI, the Reserve Bank of India license, which is the most important to run our online payment method. Now comes value proposition. In this, what problems do we solve and how do we solve them? First of all comes the number of recharging services or businesses, in which we will include recharging of phones, TV and dish, smart TV, and also paying the bill of electricity and also municipal corporation. After that, iPay wallet. Those who don't have bank account, they will keep their money into the wallet, and also we will include e-commerce vertical so that person can shop easily from the website itself. Now we will discuss about profit center. Customer relationship, in which how do we talk to our market about our solution and how we will acquire our customer. The first and the basic thing is customer service center. We will implement a customer service center so that customer who have reviews or feedback or any complaint or any query, they can easily contact us. After that comes iPay platform. In there also we will put few of the things so they can contact with us. Now comes channels. This is the very important thing. How do we deliver our solution to the customer and where they can find us? They can find us on iPay website and client side and vendor sites. Client side and vendor sites refers to people who are using and you using iPay, and the shopkeepers who are also using iPay. They can easily correlate with them and easily have transaction between them. And now we will talk about customer segments. In this, who needs our solution and how many people need our solution right now and or they will eventually need us. We are going to discuss about this. So wants of convenience of e-wallets, and also mobile users. Mobile users will use iPay because most of the population are using mobile, so it will be easy to expand our services. Now we will discuss about cost structure and revenue stream. Cost structure will include most of our expenses are related to our platform, in which we have to implement more and more things. In that only we have to expense a lot of things, nothing else. And also we have to complete the needs of our customer. So customer acquisition is very much required. Now comes revenue streams. How we will make profit to us. We will make profit from commissions and also escrow accounts who are allowing us third party to payment through iPay. Also digital gold, it is the method so that they can collect coins using cashback, and also we will get benefit from e-commerce website. Thank you so much for watching this video and giving your time. It means a lot.